Hi boys and girls, welcome to our creative activities lesson, and today we are going to have a lot of fun and more activities. We are going to use different shapes to come up with our activity for the lesson. It will be a surprise at the end. You will tell me what it is. So at home, I know you have scissors. We need to have scissors for cutting, a mark pen or a black pen at home, or either a pencil. We need to have a glue, the glue stick or the whichever glue you get at home. Something at home which has a circle shape, a bigger shape like this. Then another one with a smaller circle shape like this one. And another smaller shape circle. I will use this one. Then we need paper. We are using locally available materials. Paper. At home, I know you have old calendars or magazines. You can pluck one, then which has maybe one side which is plain clear. The other one might have some pictures. It's okay. So this is what we are going to do. You watch. I'm going to take this. It has a circular shape. I'm going to trace it with my mark pen or a black pen. That is it. Then you can fold it like this. We need to have two big circles, so you fold it. We will cut it. Then we can draw this other smaller one. We trace the shape. Also, we will need to, so we are going to fold it. Then we will cut it at once. And then another smaller circle. Let me use this end. That is it. So now we are going to cut the shapes, and you should be very, very careful when you are using the scissors. It can cut your finger, your hand, so be very, very careful. So let's now start cutting the circles together. I'm cutting round. My two circles. So now we need another shape, a rectangle shape, a smaller one. If you have ruler at home, you can use it to draw a rectangle shape. Then we cut. I have two big circles. You look carefully what I'm going to do. We are going to fold my two circles like this. We have a space down here, so they should be like this. Then I'm going to use my scissors. Remember the two circles are attached together. I will cut like this line, and we said you should be very, very careful when you are cutting. Your parents will help you in cutting. We don't want to cut our fingers. So that is it, the two. So this one will remain like that. This one I'm going to fold it outside out. So this one and this. Then I'm going to take these smaller ones. I will stick them together. So I'll apply the glue and attach them together. This side should look like this other side. They are all plain. Then I'll take this one and apply this glue here. And I will attach this one over here. Then I'll take the smaller circles where they are here. I can make them a bit smaller. Then I can give you a hint. These are eyes. I will draw a dot, a black one, and also this one. Then with my glue, I'm going to stick them here. And this other one. On this other side. So I have two eyes, this one and this. Then now with my rectangle shape, remember we said we learned about shapes. Rectangle, two sides are long and two sides are short. That's a rectangle. I'm going to cut it not up to the end, somewhere up to the middle. And we said you should be very, very careful when you are cutting using the scissors. Then look what I'm doing. This is it. I'm going to apply my glue, and I'm going to stick it here like this. Then we need something which looks like a smaller triangle shape, but it's a bit small triangle, 3 sides. Then we need two. This one your parent will help you to cut. We don't want to cut our fingers, your parent will help you. So I have 2 of them. So this is what I'm going to do. I hope you are watching carefully and keenly. I'm going to put it here. Can someone start guessing what they can see? What can you see? I know you have said something. Let's wait and see. After that, I will take now this other shape. I will apply glue on this side. And I'm going to stick it on this. This side should be out. So I'm going to place it here. They should align. Who can guess what they can see? We are almost finishing. So with this smaller circle, I'm going to make another shape. Just one circle. I'm going to cut it. Then I'm going to fold it into 2. And I will cut. Here also your parent will help you to cut. So there are 2 now. I'm going to use my glue. And I'm going to put it here. Like this, and the other one on the other side. Like this. So, who can guess what is this? What can you see? We have come up with a bird, or is it a hen, a duck? This is the mouth, the beak. The mouth of a bird, we call it a beak. We have the 2 eyes. We have the wings. And this is the tail. And we can make it stand. We are seeing now these are the legs. We can make it stand. We can fold it a bit. And we can make it stand by its own. So that is it. How does it look like? You have the wings, the tail, the leg, the head, the two eyes, and the beak, and that's the end of it. We have others here. I had made them earlier. So we are being creative using locally available materials, and those are my birds, and that's our activity. It's a simple one, but it needs a lot of concentration. Your parents will help you to do this activity and you will have fun, and also it helps in your finger muscles. Thank you so much. I hope you will have fun. Bye.